Happy Friday, guys. Welcome to the Trade Journal for day 7 of October. This is yesterday's trading day, Thursday, and as you can see, huge red day. I'm down $16.42. I took 4 trades on the same stock, and if all 4 of these trades were red and I didn't know the reason why, I'd be really upset, but I know exactly what happened. And so that's a good thing, I think. I know how to approach this in the future if it happens again. And so I'll hop on over to the charts and I'll show you what went wrong. So I didn't have my recording software running, but at 6:33 or 6:30, I pulled up this stock right here, BDRX, and it was pulling away right about here. Would have been the 6:30 candle, right? And so I'm watching it form this candle. It pulls back a little bit, and I think that would be this pullback right here, and it flips green. And I hit the buy button, and my order did not fill. It goes from 1280 all the way up to my fill was supposed to be here, and it goes all the way up to about 1480, about $2 a share. And at this price here, I should have gotten filled with about 20 shares. That's $40 in about 15 seconds I would have made. I read it perfectly. I hit the buy button and it shoots without me. And I just got this order sitting down here. Before I can even cancel it, it's like up over $1 a share. And I was feeling pretty annoyed. I wait. And the stock consolidates for a little bit. We get this pullback and it touches the 9 EMA. And when this candle forms and starts going higher, I hit the buy button again. It skips over my order, jumps all the way up to $15.50. Another $1.50 per share in 15 seconds. If I had filled this order, this would be my second green order for the day. I would have made at least $10 on that trade, but realistically, probably closer to 15. That would have put me up $50 to $55 on the day. Didn't get filled. I'm feeling super triggered at this point. And so looking back on it now, it's easy to see that this is the start of a reversal. We get this topping tail, and a new 1-minute candle is forming. It's white. We're 28 seconds in. I should let this play out and see what it does. But I'm watching the 15-second chart here, and you'll see what happens. It flips green, and I'm like, this is it. We're going to go from 16 to 17 or something like that, you know? So I'm watching. Here it goes. I get in. It fades. I get out. It pops again. I get in. It can't go. I'm like, this is ridiculous. I get out. I'm like, okay, the last 2 times it did this, it goes higher. Am I wrong? And now I'm like, okay, I know what's happening. We're getting a 1-minute pullback. I'm only down $7. I can recover this. When it bounces off the 9 EMA, I'm going to get back in and we're going to go. If we go from here up to these highs, I'll win. I'll get back everything that I lost. Here we get this new candle over new candle, and I'm like, this is it. This is the one where it flips. We've got a big bottoming tail here, almost touch the 9 EMA. and it kind of works. We try to go. I'm almost at break even for the day. Even with just this small pop here, I'm almost at break even. I'm like, if this thing goes halfway up to here, I'm making all my money back. Instead, it starts to fade again. But it doesn't really fade hard. And so I'm like, we're still just kind of consolidating here. I'm staying between here and here. Eventually, it'll break out to the upside. Well, it doesn't. New 1 minute candle formed and started going white. And so I was like, all right, I'm out. I can't keep holding and hoping. $13.78 I'm down for the day. And right here, we start getting some more consolidation. If you look on the 1 minute chart, it's a new green candle. And I'm like, I don't know. Do we wait for it to break these highs? And so that's my thoughts on all of these buys. I'm trying to get in early. Right there, I get in. It goes up. I'm like, this is great. Here's the candle that's going to go all the way up to these highs right here. It fades. But it's still green. And we've still got holding above this 9 EMA here. I'm like, okay, so maybe this is the time it goes. So I took half off the table right there. I'm like, it's just taking way too long. I did not feel comfortable with it. And now I'm really starting to realize that this thing is not going my way at all. And so I'm like, we're 2 seconds away from a new 1 minute candle. If that thing starts headed south, I'm out. Boom, there it is. And so that's it. A $4 loss, a $3 loss, a $5 loss, and a $3 loss, $4 loss. Brings the account down to 109.62. I'm really thankful for the cushion I had going into the day, $26.04. Without that, the account would be in the red for the month, and I would be feeling a lot worse about this. Even so, this really hurts my statistics for the month of October. Added 4 losses to that, so it brings my win rate to 60%. Wins are still smaller than my losses, and so I'm ending up with just a 1% gain in the account for now. But I gotta keep going, and hopefully today, Friday, we see some good momentum. I'll keep you guys updated. Hope you have a good day, and love you. Peace out.